If you're trying to install one of these door hinges, in this video, I'll show you how to adjust the tension on a self-closing door hinge. Hey guys, welcome to Daddicated. My name is Andy. I like to fix stuff, build stuff, and remodel stuff on this channel. If you enjoy this type of content, hit that subscribe button and let's begin. Step 1. Take the provided Allen key and insert it from the top. You will rotate it clockwise if your door opens like mine from right to left, or rotate it clockwise if your door opens from left to right. As you apply tension, you will use this pin and place it into one of these holes. Keep in mind how many holes you turn, since the instructions say 90-degree open doors, you can't go past 4 holes. Continue to use the pin and the Allen key to move it clockwise until the desired tension is achieved. Step 2. Use one of these provided pins and push it into one of these holes while holding the Allen key in tension like shown in the video. Then test your door to see if one hinge was enough. If not, add another one and adjust as needed. That's it. Hit that like button and subscribe.